Hey decor enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you on a journey through IKEA's latest finds for 2024. If you love home decor as much as I do, you're in for a treat. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more decor inspiration. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about. This year, IKEA has really nailed it with smooth, handleless fronts in matte finishes like soft gray and deep navy. They're perfect for that clean, modern look. Plus, the customization options are endless. You can mix and match colors, materials, and even add smart storage solutions to fit your style and needs. Next, IKEA's commitment to sustainability shines through with their. These cabinets are made from recycled wood and PET bottles. How cool is that? And let's not forget the natural textures of bamboo, rattan, and jute, bringing that earthy vibe into your home. Now, for all you tech lovers, IKEA's has just leveled up. New smart lighting options are more customizable than ever, and you can control them via smartphone or voice assistants. The smart kitchen appliances like ovens and fridges integrate seamlessly with your home's tech, making life so much easier. For those of us working from home, IKEA's are a game changer. I'm loving the industrial-style desks and ergonomic chairs designed for long hours of comfort. And the compact storage boxes, perfect for keeping everything organized and stylish. If you're looking to make a statement, check out the new armchairs in deep teal and mustard yellow are to die for. And the bold patterned textiles, they add a vibrant pop of color to any room. Living in a small space? No problem. IKEA's offers more flexibility than ever. The new configurations let you create custom storage solutions that fit perfectly in any room. And the new sofa collection? Super customizable with new fabric choices. For the kitchen gadget lovers, IKEA has introduced some. The mini oven is a must-have for small apartments. And the updated rail system is perfect for organizing kitchen tools and gadgets. When it comes to the bedroom, IKEA's are a dream. The new duvet sets made from organic cotton are luxurious and comfortable. Layered bedding options add that extra touch of coziness. Lighting is key, and IKEA's options are stunning. Featuring natural materials like wood and glass, they add a warm ambient glow to any room. And the dimmable options? Perfect for setting the mood. For outdoor spaces, IKEA's 2024 are impressive. The modular furniture made from durable acacia wood is perfect for creating a cozy outdoor living space. And the new solar-powered lights? Sustainable and stylish. Art and decor enthusiasts, IKEA's range just keeps getting better. The 2024 collection features more abstract and modern designs. New vases, candles, and decor items reflect current trends with bold colors and natural materials. Finally, let's not forget. The versatile carts and spanced shelving units are perfect for extra storage. Stylish, durable, and easy to assemble. Shopping at IKEA for 2024 is such an inspiring experience. Whether you're into sustainable options, bold statement pieces, or smart home integration, there's something for every style and budget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more decor inspiration. See you next time!